cast a spell on you. And now you see me. Now you know.
Come on, Rich, you rich. Get you rich from your man. What's going on, dude? You too good, bro? Answer the damn phone, dude. Stop being a little bitch. Let's go.
That's the real one.
Yeah, for real. That's real Berto right there, man. That's real Berto right there.
Sugarcoating for the camera.
This is what happens when you answer the phone. This is for all you guys. When I call you, my time is money. And if I call you, you better make me a priority.
So let's take out the cable, man. Let's take out the cable. So how much would you be saving if you took out the cable? How much is your cable bill? 150?
Right, check this one too.
Perfect. So we just said that you make 1,280 monthly.
You gotta
subtract that by.
You better answer the damn phone because I'm gonna cuss you out, dude. I'm joking. I'm not gonna cuss you out, but I'm gonna put you on blast. You don't answer the phone, I'm gonna find who you are. I'm gonna tell everybody that you're a person that doesn't answer the phone. So don't ever give you a call. You guys need to realize, man, like whenever you don't answer a phone call, you're leaving money on the table. Can you imagine? You can just imagine if Bill Gates was calling you, you wouldn't even know it. Just because you're so close-minded, dude. People are so close-minded, like they don't even answer the phone calls, and they wouldn't even know. I can guarantee you, I'll put $100,000 right now on this bet. Think about this right now, and drop a comment if you think it's true. If Bill Gates was calling you, right? Would you really answer the phone? You wouldn't even know. I'm just saying the number you've never been seen before from like, I don't know, Miami or Florida. This is how people work. They don't like to answer the phone call. But imagine if Bill Gates was like, hey man, you know what? I feel nice today. I'm just gonna give $100 billion out today, or $100 million out today, right? And I guarantee you, like somebody would just not answer the phone, and you will lose that on the opportunity. So dude, next time when you have a fucking phone call calling you, answer the fucking phone, dude.
Pressure on what? Hey, if anybody tells you that, dude, you let me know right away, bro, and I'll tell them something. Because half of these guys, dude, they started off with 20, 30, 40 bucks. Some started with 100, some 140. The guys that started off with more money blew their account quick, man. So let me know right now, dude. Are you serious about this? Because you said you wanted to make serious money. You said you wanted to make serious money, so let's get serious about money.
Put it on the... Okay, that 1, 11, 12, 1, 2. So 2 p.m. today. We're gonna do it? Ok, ¿vas a hacerlo en un pago o dos pagos? Dos pagos. Alright, so dos pagos de 500 today. Si se está acabando el mundo, if the world's ending today, lo vas a hacer todavía, right? We're gonna roll, man, alright? Está bien, man. Tú vas a mandar el invoice y lo vas a firmar y lo vamos a hacer ahorita, ok? En 2 horas. 2 p.m. Alright, man. Hasta luego. My Spanish on point, man.
No, it's
I can
not.
speak English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, French, Russian, Chinese.
His face is like,
You name it, man. I'm pulling deals left and right. Anything you want. You call me, and I'll speak Chinese. I'll use Google though. I'll just use Google and be like, hey, hold on, give me a second. That's how you do it, man. You gotta be closer, man. You gotta be closer.
Okay, hold up. What'd you say?
Carlos, what's up, man?
What'd you say, Mustafa?
Huh? It's Berto. Okay.
Dude, honestly, you could put in as much as you want. Dude, I know guys that with 20 bucks, they flipped it into 400. I know guys that with freaking $10, that flipped it into 500, 600. Dude, it doesn't matter how much you put in. As long as you're, you're determined, you're disciplined, and you're consistent in that market, I promise you, you're gonna profit. With the right people, with the right tools, with the right training, with the right mentorship, dude, you're gonna succeed in the Forex market.
That's more than what I give people, man. I gave this guy 35 minutes of my time. But the only reason why I gave him 35 minutes is I know we're closing a big deal. So that's the only reason why. But I give people 15 minutes. 15 minutes to get my time. So if you're watching this, if I give you a call, I'm only giving 15. Are you doing $1,000?
Okay.
Okay, let's do that then.
And that comes with patience, man. That comes with patience, dude. Rome wasn't built in one day, dude. Straight up. You know what I mean? If you were asking me personally, I started off with $30. My account is looking roughly right now $400, $500. But that's what Berto signals alone with his training. Dude, I got guys that are mentoring me in the market, dude. and they don't even mind it. They just do it because they want to see you succeed. So you just gotta surround yourself with the right people. I'm taking full responsibility for this, dude, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna be real with you, bro. If I'm failing, you're failing. You know what I mean? I'm failing you. If you're failing, we aren't doing our job.
Hey,
right.
look,
That's the truth.
Do you have your computer open or your phone? PayPal open?
No, I keep it at 5 cents, man. 5 cents. I do 5 cents. 5 cents, 10 cents. Sometimes I even go 50 if I'm feeling risky.
Yeah.
But that's how I got my comp, growing up fast.
Okay, just give me a second. I'll just, if I send you an invoice to your email and pay to me. What's up, man? Yo. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. Right. Got it, man. Sweet. Let me process that for you. Let me get that rolling for you right now. It's processing right now. Right. Right, man. I'm telling you, dude, like, we're rolling, bro. We're rolling, man. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm gonna go connect with Leonard right now, this exact moment, and then get him ready to set up for you, and then we're gonna add you into that group as well, and then you can start to go, man, okay? I'm gonna get him like connected with you, so I'm gonna do that right now, right after we get on the phone, okay? I will, man. Sounds good, bro. Alright, man. Take care. That's how you close the deal, man. Aggressive, pushing, top. And you plunge, you fight. Listen, this is how people work, okay? You gotta rewind them out of their hard, broke mentality. They've been trained, think about it. If you're 45 years old, you've been trained to think broke, wrong, you don't have no money, there's never enough money in this world. You've been trained to think like that, right? Or when you have somebody just rewinding you like, no, it is possible, there's enough money on this planet for everybody. You start thinking bigger. You start closing more deals, man. That's how you do it. Listen, drop a comment below if you think that this is really true, right? Life is all about sales, man. Life is all about sales. If you want the best sexy girlfriend of your life, you gotta sell her in on why you're the best guy compared to any guy out here, right? Anything in life is sales, man. If you need information on how I do it, how I overcome people's obstacles, how I overcome people's objections, send me a DM, man. We'll work together. Give me a call, send me an email, send me a DM on Facebook, Instagram. You get a hold of me, guys. Anyways, that's how you close the deal, man. 101. Oh. When you figure out how to draw it out before it happens, dude, you're gonna make so much money. And this stuff that's tough, it's cost me time and it's cost me money, but now I'm giving it to you, I'm buying it for you, here, I'm telling you basically this. Here it is, man, this is what you gotta do. This, that. This is what you gotta know, this is what you don't need to know, this is what you really need. And I'm basically doing that for you and other people. And for the price that I'm giving it to you at, dude, I guarantee you, man, you're spending more money out there in the marketplace trying to figure it out than what you get from it. I don't ask clients to judge me by my winners, but to judge me by my losers because I have so few. Dude, Forex, stocks, Bitcoin, crypto, you name it, it works for us.
You